Okay guys, so let's learn about bisection method. So it also known as bisection method analysis. Okay, next theorem Bolzano you can read. So other than that, this is the first step. We choose the values, calculate a midpoint C, and the root of the function is found only if the value of fc is equal to 0. So the last step is if fc not equal to 0, then we need to check the sign. Okay, you can read. So let's start in the Excel. We need to make a table for the iteration A, FA, for the B, FC, FA. So just follow this step and try to insert a value, and for this we just use the quadratic equation and try to make a coding for these values. You can follow my step. Okay, for B also same, we just insert the value of the quadratic equation. Okay, so we got the value. So just for the C also we need to make plus all A and B and divide by 2 for the C. So we got the answer. Okay, for the FC, it is a quadratic equation also. And for the FA times FC, just times the RAP. For the FB and FC also almost same. And for the error B minus A is you just minus both B and A, and you will get the answer. Okay, so we just use the if. So if J11 less than 0, you can insert A and C as the true and false value. Okay, just put and we get all the value. So we make a table, and how now is the way to make a graph. We just use x and fx. So for this also we use quadratic equation, and yeah, you just put and you will get all the value that you need. Okay, so just go to insert and make a table. Oh, I mean is make a graph. So that's all. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you can understand. Okay, last but not least, good luck for final exam guys. Okay, bye.